Hi everybody, it's me, Mila Rose, and today I'm back for my Chase budget account, and we're gonna see how things go. I'm excited. This has a big debt payoff in there and some other additional fun things that I get to work on from this account. So I will see you all in just a minute. All right, so here we go. The paycheck date is January 2021. And here are our expenses. So we have, this is where I pay my car note data. So car 604 is how much I put towards that. Car wash is 15. Which I really need to go get my car washed. I haven't been in like 2 weeks. I used to go all the time because when I was going everywhere, still being way more active than I was now, I would just stop by and go get my car washed real fast. And now I obviously don't. Let's see, we have our annual payments that come out of here. So this is like Amazon Prime and all of that fun stuff. So I just put some money aside every month and then just pay it off as it needs to. HBO Max comes out of this account, $16. We have a debt payment that we make out of this one, which is, I put $4.55 this time. So $4.55. And then $12 is going to cushion. And then $1 goes to Kindle. I got one of those little Kindle Unlimited deals. Oh, I need to put that $12 for cushion. I got one of those little $1 Kindle Unlimited deals, and I have to cancel it this month so that I don't have to pay any extra money out of there. So that is basically it. That is the January Chase budget. It's really quick. It goes really fast. I close it out roughly right before the next one. So mid-February, I'll go in and I'll close this one out. And that is pretty much it. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I could cover for this one, but it's really quick, really simple. It's just kind of a lot of extra things that I have going on. It's also the one that I'm focusing on to pay off my car this year. That's my big debt goal, my big goal in general. So I just get this done. Actually, one more thing to do. Account balance. So starting balance for January should be $46. And we're going to see what that ending balance ends up being. My expecting ending balance then would be $58 at the end of next month. And then we'll put the actual in there because I want to have some cushion. I want to build up some cushions for these. This one I need to change towards an annual. I have two other accounts there. I have a car account, so I put money aside for car savings. And then I have annuals, so I move the annual money into this account and then move it back when it's time to pay for something. And I'll need to look up how much I have in the car and look up how much I have in the annuals. But other than that, that's it for this one. It's really quick, really simple. This is pretty much how my other budget used to be before I was saving for 500 different things and had all of that different stuff going on. So that is it for this one. The only other thing that I could possibly do, which I technically don't want to do because I have stuff that needs to actually be updated over there. I should do a debt update with this one since this is the one where I pay my car note. So let's see where that is. All right, so here's my debt tracker for, this will get me out of all consumer debt. So I've already paid off all of my credit cards. I just have my car left and I have like 11 left on that, but I just made that car payment. This was for 2020, my debt tracking that I filled in. 2021, I only have the car on there, and we're starting with a little bit over 12. And let's see, I don't think I have anywhere where I'm actually writing down how much I have. But let's see how much we have for left to pay on the car. So we'll do car, pay off. Do January. We have our amount owed, 11,695.73. Payment. We paid 738 for an additional payment, and then that should leave us, and that was paid towards the principal. So we should be looking at $695, 738. Should be looking at 10,957.73 by the end of this month. So yay! And then next month we have our scheduled payment to come out. So I've always been paying a little bit extra, and now since I've paid off all of my credit cards, I can really focus on getting that paid off, and I should be able to update my debt tracking to take it below, it's 1,000 every month. So I'll fill in the 12, I'll fill in the 11, and then once I get below 10, I'll fill in that one. So we're filling in 3 of them so far, yay! And we're on our way to being done for debt tracking. So that is everything, and I will see y'all later. I was trying to find something else to talk about in this video, and I have extra debt space. Don't know what I'm gonna put there, because I do have school loans, of course, and I am paying on one of them, as you saw, so I could put that in there if I wanted to, but I haven't decided yet. So we shall see how this goes. But that is it for January's Chase account budget, and I will see you all soon. I will have my February Paycheck 1 coming up soon. Have a great one. Go ahead and comment down below on what you're working on. Do you have debt? If you do you have a specific goal you're working towards? And if so, what is it, and how are things going? And what's your plan to tackle it for this year? All right, I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.